Hello, my name is No Roar, and I'm going to explain to you why I'm unique to the community. So, I just graduated from Great Lakes Christian College. It's in Lansing, Michigan, and I need a scholarship in order to go get my master's in clinical counseling at Spring Arbor University. And I think I'm unique to my community for a multitude of reasons. For one, I'm still currently at Great Lakes Christian College because I work as a resident director for the college. So I am in charge of men's housing assignments. I'm also in charge of fostering community and bringing students together to create great relationships. I do that in a multitude of ways. I do that by making sure that the resident assistants that work at the college are top notch and really pouring into students. I also have students over quite frequently to watch movies or play games and things like that. So I try to find different ways to bring students together, but I also let them know that I'm here for them. I'm going into counseling, so I obviously have a heart for helping people and the many different problems and conflicts and things like that. I just like supporting people. So I have students in my office quite frequently asking me questions on life, about relationships, or difficulties that they might have. I'm also only 22 years old, so a lot of these students are kind of similar in age to me. I'm a little bit older, but I tend to coach students on how to get through college and to succeed really well. I love being a part of the community. I love finding different opportunities to play games, hang out, have deep connections with students. It's just such a blessing to me. And my goal is, with the help of scholarships and such, I'm going to Spring Arbor to get my master's in clinical counseling because with my undergrad knowledge, I want to create a nonprofit organization that gives free or reduced price therapy to survivors of sexual trauma. Uh, the world of sexual trauma is very important to me because I actually found out recently that one of my family members was a survivor of sexual trauma from their childhood. And that rocked my world finding out about that. And so my heart just goes out to all those that have been victimized. And I want to be part of the solution to help people be their best selves despite going through uh, the awful thing that is the world of sexual trauma and abuse. I want to help survivors to have a better mental state, the best mental state they can. And I'm very excited for that next step in life. Thank you for any consideration.